Now I will be working on the back side of the school bag. So to get the back side of the bag, I use the front side to cut it. So what I did is that I placed the front on the material, then I tried to trace it with it. After that, then I use the scissors to cut it out. So this is the shoulder strap I cut out too, and the measurement is 3.5 by 21.5 inches. Then I also cut out lining and foam for the tee. Then I also cut out the long belt holder, which is 2. And the measurement I cut out is 5.5 by 6.5 inches. So this is the long belt I cut out too, and the measurement is 90 inches. So for the long belt I cut out, I'm using original one. It's different from the one they normally use for souvenir. That one is ordinary. Then I also cut out the adjuster holder, which is 2 because I'll be using 2 adjuster. So the measurement for it is 7 inches length. Now I'll be working on the long belt holder. After folding it, I will insert the long belt inside it a little bit. After folding it together, then I will place it under the machine for stitching. So this is what it looks like after stitching it. So I will do the same to the second one. So I'm done with the long belt holder. Now I'll be working on the shoulder strap. After that, I will take the 2 shoulder strap, I will join it together. Then after joining it, I'll fold it. Then I will use the scissors to just give the mouth a shape. Now I'll be making the shoulder strap. I'll take the lining, I'll place it down, right side facing up. Then I will take the shoulder strap, I'll place it on it, right side facing each other, and stitch it together. So this is how it looks like after stitching it round together. I did not stitch the bottom because that is where I'm going to turn it to the right side. So I will take the foam, I will also give it a shape so that it will rhyme with the shoulder strap. After that, I will insert the foam inside it. Now that I've inserted the foam inside it and it has fit in, I will stitch the bottom. Now I'll be attaching the adjuster holder to the shoulder strap. Now I'm done with the shoulder strap. So I'll be working on the back side of the bag. Now I'll be attaching the long belt holder to the back side. So for the placement of the holder, I measure 1 inches for each side at the bottom. So I will take one of the holder, I will place it on the back side, starting from that 1 inch. Then I will stitch it together. After that, I will come to the second side and repeat same thing. After that, I will cut out the essence dye. So after that, I'll be attaching the shoulder strap also. After that, I fold the back side into 2 to get the midpoint. And from that midpoint, I measure 1 inch to the first side and to the second side for the placement of the shoulder strap. So I will place the shoulder strap at the back of the 1 inch. So this is the short belt I cut out. I'll be placing it at the middle of the shoulder strap. You can also use it to carry the bag. Now I'll be stitching it. After that, then I cut out foam and lining for it. Then I'll take the back side, I'll place it on it and stitch it round together. So this is the back side. I'm done making it. You can see the way it look like. Now I've already trimmed out the essence lining and foam. Now I'll be adding inner pockets to it. So I've cut out the lining I'll be using for the inner pocket, and the measurement is 31 inches by 16 inches. After that, I'll fold the lining into two. After folding it together, I'll take the back side and I'll place it in. Then I will stitch both sides and leave the picture. So I'm done stitching it. You can see the way it looks like. So I did not stitch the bottom because that is where I'm going to be starting. So I will take the foam I cut out, I'll put it inside the lining and make sure it's fitting. After that, I will turn it to the back side and stitch the bottom. So this is how it looks like. I've trimmed out the essence diary. So we have come to the end of this video on how to make the back side of the school bag. If you have really learned something from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and don't forget to give your thoughts in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.